Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle with Citizens Bank. Okay, so we're jumping into Citizens Bank now and we want to set up Zelle. So let's go and access Citizens online banking on your computer or the mobile banking app on your phone, and make sure your app is up to date to the latest version for the best experience. It sometimes could cause an error if your app is not updated. So now locate Zelle by online banking. So navigate to the Pay Bills and People menu and then select Send Money with Zelle. Now on the mobile app, you're going to go ahead and tap the menu icon and select Send Money with Zelle. Now you need to accept the terms and conditions. Again, make sure you read them and register your US mobile number or your email address. This must be linked to your Citizens Bank account for verification purposes, and then choose to send, request, or even split payments with absolutely anyone. Enter their email or phone number, or select from your contact lists, and then you will find that your funds will typically arrive within a few minutes.